Ivy, Lily. Look, I made sandwiches for us. Ooh, sandwiches! I'm so hungry. Ooh.
Ivy, are you okay?
Oh my gosh. Oh man, I got a scrape. Oh, it hurts so much. It looks so bad.
Don't worry, Ivy, I know what to do. To treat a scrape, all you need is petroleum jelly. Just take a bit of jelly, then apply a thin layer to the scrape. It'll keep the affected area moist and prevent infection. Repeat this 2 times a day for 2 days and your scrape will be better.
Wow, thanks Lily, my scrape is gone.
No problem.
Let's eat, guys.
Thanks. Oh, it looks so good.
Ivy, hold on. You're gonna get hurt.
Calm down, Max. I'm just getting firewood.
Let me get the gloves first.
Oh, relax, Max. It's no big deal. Ouch.
Huh? What happened, Ivy?
Oh, I got a splinter. It hurts so bad. Oh.
Oh, I told you to be careful. But don't worry, I have just the thing. To take out a splinter, we just need the syringe. The suction from the syringe will pull the splinter out.
Wow, Max, the splinter's gone. Thank you.
No problem. Now let me find the gloves.
All right, Max. Here's my boarding pass and my passport. Can I go in now?
Wait, hold on. There's no food or drinks allowed on the plane.
Okay, here you go.
Wait, I need to check your bag. What's all this, huh?
Oh man, I don't want to be hungry on my flight. What do I do? Oh! I'll hide my candy in empty lipstick tubes. First, I just need to take some sweet tart ropes. Now I need to put them in the lipstick. I'll put it in my bag. Now I'm ready to go.
All right, you can go now.
Thanks a lot.
Next. Okay, you have everything, but could I check your bag first?
Yeah, of course.
All right, everything looks clear. You can go ahead.
Thank you. Psst, Ivy, do you want some candy?
The candy's not allowed on the plane.
Just watch this.
Wow, Lily, you're a genius.
Thanks, here you go.
Look, guys, I brought ice cream.
I love ice cream.
That's my favorite flavor.
The popsicle's so good. Huh? My popsicle's melting.
Mine too. Wait, guys, I have an idea. To stop the mess, all we need is marshmallows. All we have to do is stick it on the bottom of our popsicle.
Wow, it's not messy anymore.
Thanks, Mia. No problem. Come sit down.
Oh man, I'm so pale. I need a tan before the party. Oh, it's so sunny outside. Perfect. Hopefully I tan in time for the party.
Max? Max? Hey, Max! Max! Max, wake up!
What happened? Oh, my skin. Oh, I can't go to the party with a sunburn.
Calm down, Max. I'll help you. To treat a sunburn, all you need is a tomato. First, cut the tomato into slices. Now, put the slices on the affected area. Lycopene in tomatoes is an antioxidant that protects your skin from UV damage. How do you feel now, Max?
Oh, my skin is so soft. Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Now let's hurry. We're late to the party.
Oh, yeah.
This workout's intense. I need some water. Oh, it's so hot.
Oh no, what happened, Lily?
Oh, the water's so hot, but I'm so thirsty.
Don't worry, Lily. I have fresh water right here. To keep my water fresh, I just need a water bottle and a glass. Just pour half your water in the glass, and then we'll save it for later. Now, just put the bottle in the freezer. Make sure to place it sideways. Perfect. Now that this half is frozen, we can just add the water.
Wow, it's so cold. It's so refreshing. Thanks, Mia.
No problem. Ready to keep working out?
Yeah.
Oh man, I have to hurry up and grill this for the barbecue. This grill's really hot.
Hey, Max, we're ready for the barbecue.
Huh? What's wrong?
Oh, it's so hot and I'm exhausted.
Don't worry. Here, Max, this spray will help you cool down. To stay cool, all you need is peppermint tea. Fill a cup with hot water. Now we'll add in the tea. Once the tea cools down, put it in a spray bottle. Now let it cool in the fridge for 2 hours.
Okay, Lily.
The menthol and peppermint will help you feel cooler. How do you feel now, Max?
Oh, I feel so refreshed. Thanks, Lily.
No problem, Max.
Now let's help set up for the barbecue.
Okay. Hey, Lily!
I was gonna use that color.
Too bad. I grabbed it first.
Give me that.
No! I grabbed it first!
I want it.
Oh no, my mom's gonna be so mad. Thanks a lot, Ivy.
Me? This is all your fault.
You're the one who grabbed it.
Enough, both of you. We just need to clean this stain so we don't get in trouble. All we need is some alcohol. Just put the alcohol onto a cotton ball. Now rub it with the stain and it'll dissolve the polish.
Wow, it's gone.
You're a genius, Mia. No problem, guys, but be more careful next time.
Okay.
Sorry. Bye, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Hit that bell button. Give us a big thumbs up and see you in the next video.